What's good, guys? Welcome back. We are working on the truck today. Putting these panels on. These are from Undercover Innovations. These are like these core support filler panels. And these go in between here. And it directs all the air to the radiator rather than going up and over. And they look really cool, so we're gonna throw these on today. So really the only tools you really need, mine have 12 point and one random non 12 point, so yours might be all 12 point, I'm not sure, but mine is a, hold on here, 7/16. Take those 3 off, and then you just need a Phillips head screwdriver to take the hood stop out. So let's get to it. I'm gonna start taking these ones off first, since I already have my ratchet in my hand. I like to just throw my bolts in there because it's really convenient. Well, oh man, I always drop the bolts, I swear. And then I gotta go get a screwdriver for this, so I'll be right back. So, yeah, I just did them by hand. Some of them, sometimes the threads get pretty rusty, you might need a screwdriver, so I actually ended up not needing. So you take that off, take your panel, and I've never put these on before, so I'm doing as much as somebody's first time as well. So what seems easiest to me is just try to thread the hood stop in first. Kind of get it somewhat in there, and then I'm going to kind of adjust this into place. And they do come with some plastic washers here, so you don't scratch your panel. So there's with the plastic double washer in it. Just gonna get them threaded in first, and then we can kind of adjust the panel from there. Hold on, let's see if we can. Okay. And then I'm going to tighten these down, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so when you put this on, make sure you kind of push the panel so this sits farther back. That's what the instruction says, at least. So you just try to push it back as far as you can get it in there, so it sits better. And then tighten everything up, and then we're gonna test and see if I did everything right here. Give a little hood close check. Ooh. And she closes nicely. So let's hold on. Alright. Well, everything fits. I have to kind of push my hood stop down a little bit. It's a little high. And we're gonna knock out the other side. And then after that, we're gonna throw this little stripping that goes on it. Ooh, that goes. When I throw the stripping that goes on this edge here to kind of close it off completely. And yeah, it's already looking real good. Alright, so then some screw. On this side there's only two. Make sure when you do these, just do one side at a time, because then you're going to get this whole hood system all jacked up. So there's two screws. This one was a 1/2 inch for some weird reason, and the other ones were 7/16 12 points. So we're going to take this guy out too. It's like the longest bolt ever. Literally the longest bolt ever. Okay, so that's out. And then we're gonna take our panel and slap this boy on there. Well, it's kind of hard to do with one hand, but yep, you just put those two bolts in and the bolt down there, and it should be good to go. So I'm gonna throw those last bolts in, and then we'll throw the weather strip on, and we're good to go. And I guess I ran into another problem. This has no hole for this to go in anymore, so we're deleting the chain for the hood. So we'll just take this guy out. Honestly, kind of wanted to take this off anyways, because it always rattles when I'm driving. It's super annoying. And there we go. I thought I'd never take this thing off, but there it goes. Alright. Well, it's an extra step if you have a chain for your hood. That's what you would do. Let's tighten this back up. Ugh. Okay. Now everything's done. Look at that. Those panels are amazing. And you should buy them from Undercover Innovations. If you buy them on LMC, they charge you like $30 or $40 more, when you could just support the real people who make them, which is Undercover Innovations, they call these the core support fillers or show panels. Same thing. They're all the same. But man, do these look good. She's show truck ready. So I'm gonna get some scissors and I'm gonna cut this up, and we're gonna throw this on, and that'll be it. Alright, so with the weather stripping, just start from this end, and then you kind of have to just push the panel back like a little bit, and then you just kind of finesse it on there, and then once you get to here, you can just take some scissors and cut it. And then give you a little bit longer of the weather stripping, just in case you mess up or whatever. So really, you just got to get it started on the panel. It's kind of hard to do one hand, but you just push it onto place, and then you go all the way down until you're to here, cut it, and that's it. So I'm gonna throw this last piece on, and then she's good to go. And that's all the weather stripping put on there, so it kind of seals the gaps in between, and that's it. Hood closes really good. I had to kind of mess with these hood stops a little bit, kind of bring them down, because they give you plastic washers that go under there as well, so you don't scratch the panel. And yeah, they look really good. think they're like $140, which is to me worth it for the looks and the performance that it gives you. We're gonna end the video here, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Hopefully we can do it. I know you guys who watch, there's a lot of you guys who aren't subscribed, so please subscribe if you're not. It really helps me out and grow this channel a lot bigger than it is. But thank you to the people who's already subscribed. We just hit 150 the other day, so I'm thankful for all 150 of you guys who like watching my videos. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace out.